Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel if you've not subscribed. Okay, so today we'll be making a hair pack. Okay, so as we go ahead, I will tell you what we'll be using. Okay, so right now I have a fabric I folded into two. As you can see, it's folded into two, well ironed. Okay, so measuring it by this is 2 inches like this folded. Then when you open it up is 4 inches. Okay, so I've folded it back. So what you have here is 2 inches. Then by the length we have 18 inches. Okay, so the first thing we'll do right now is that we are going to stitch here, okay, by 1/2 inch. Okay guys, I've stitched it, so the next thing I'm doing now is to trim it off. Okay, so I've done that. So what we'll do right now is to turn it like so. Just turn it to the front. Okay, so guys, this is it. This is it. So the next thing we'll do now, you have to get your rubber band. You measure 8 inches of rubber band. Okay. 8 inches is good. So that is it. That's 8 inches. Okay, so all I have to do is to cut it out. Good. So the next thing we'll be doing right now is to pass this elastic to that stripe. Okay, so I'll have to use my pin and do so. So see what I'm doing. Pass it. Okay. See how beautiful it is already. Okay. So what I have to do is to bring this and get this. Okay, the 2 rubber bands, tie them together. That's it. Okay, so you will have to take this and put inside here. You can as well trim this off. Trim it off a little. Take this put inside here. Just like this. Okay. Don't mind. Okay. Then push it this way. That's it. It's all inside. Okay. Okay. So this one is a little bit inside too. Okay. So what I have to do is to stitch it here. Okay. So I'll stitch it and let you know. Everything is very neat. Okay. Beautiful. It is so simple. Okay. So the next thing we'll be doing right now is you get this. Okay, this is 3 inches here. It's 3 inches, but if you open it up, when you measure it, it's 6 inches. Okay, 6 inches. So going by length also is still 6 inches. The length is 6 inches. here is 6 inches. Okay, so I folded it into 2. The next thing I have to do is to join it by 1/2 inch all around. Then when I get to this place, I will leave 1 inch or 1.5 inches open. Okay, that's where I will pass it from. That's where I will be coming out from. Okay. Okay. So remember that here is open. Okay. So you fold this place back. We'll be stitching on this place. Okay. Before that, it's a good press. Okay guys, you can see it. Okay, here it's still open. So guys, I have a foam. I'll be stuffing this with. Okay, this is it. This is the foam. So what I'll do is this. There's a kind of fiber. I have to push it inside here. On that hole. So the next thing that I'll do after filling this thing up is to go and stitch it up here. I've closed it up. Okay, so beautiful. So we'll keep it aside. So we'll get this. This is another stripe of 4 inches by width and 18 inches by length. Okay, so see it here. This is 2 inches. Okay, remember it's folded too, so it's 4 inches. So I folded it. It gave me 2 inches here. So here is 18 inches. So the next thing that I will do right now is I'll come in here by 2.5 inches. Okay, so it's 2.5 inches. Come in here by 2.5 inches too. Okay, so the next thing I'll do right now is to connect from here to this place. Okay, that's how I'll be stitching from. Okay, so I'll connect from here again to this place. So I'm going to connect from here to this. Then here I will stitch. Okay, and I'll leave 2 inches. I'll be leaving 2 inches here and here. That's where I'll come out from. Okay, so here I will sew when I get here. I will stop. I will sew when I get here. I will stop. Then I'm going to sew on this line. Okay, so let me sew it and get back to you. Can see, so I have to take it to the machine and stitch here up. Okay, you can see I've stitched it, so we'll be getting back to this place. Okay, we have to tie it all up. Okay, this is my tray. We'll be separating it in the half of it. Okay, so you have to take tray and Thread it very well. So as you can see, thread it very well. Get this thing. Then you look for that place you stitched, okay? You place this one here, okay? You take this, you pass it through here. Just make it equal. Okay. If you want, you can stitch it up. If you want to, you can stitch it up. Okay. Then if you don't want to stitch it up, you can easily tie it this way. And tie it up like this. To drop like this. So it's quite simple. Okay. See how beautiful it is looking. So beautiful and easy. Okay. So guys, please subscribe to my channel. I'm still new on YouTube. I need your support to be encouraged to do more. Okay, please subscribe and share my videos to your friends and families. Okay, look, have a nice day. Bye.